For a truly comforting home-cooked meal, try this cheesy, spicy, creamy, home-baked mac and cheese topped with panko breadcrumbs. Bring a big pot of heavily salted water to boil and cook a pound of pasta. No joke, I recommend skipping the elbow pasta because you want something a little more interesting like farfalle, bow ties, or rotini, the corkscrew-shaped pasta. While cooking the pasta, cut 1 pound of cheese into cubes. I recommend habanero jack, Colby jack, and extra sharp Vermont cheddar. Roughly 1-inch cubes will work fine. No need to shred, but pre-shredded cheese will work fine too. Dice a sweet, white, or Spanish onion. Cut it in half through the root, remove the ends, and peel off the skin. Make several cuts, leaving just the root end intact. Then cut crossways in the other direction. Carefully cut around the root and there's almost no waste. Repeat steps to dice the second half. The layers separate while cooking. When draining the pasta, do not rinse or add oil because the starch will help the cheesy mixture stick to every bit of the pasta. But remove on the firmer side of al dente because the pasta is going to continue to cook in the oven. Melt some butter over medium heat in with your onions, cracked pepper, crushed red pepper, and stir. Cook for a few minutes. Melt some more butter and add a little flour to build a roux. This flour and milk fat mixture will help thicken your cheese sauce. Cook for a few minutes longer. Slowly pour in whole milk while stirring. Add slowly in small increments. Continue to cook. For extra creamy mac and cheese, add some cream cheese at this point and cook into the mixture. Add the cheese cubes and stir to melt. It will take several minutes to melt completely. Now we've really got a tasty sauce developing. Toss in the cooked pasta and gently stir to coat well. Coat a baking dish or bacon crocks with butter and spoon in the creamy mac and cheese. Top with a mixture of cumin, Italian seasoning, and chili powder with crunchy panko breadcrumbs and stir to combine. Cover the top well. Every last bit and bake at 375 for 20 to 25 minutes or until crunchy, thoroughly hot, and bubbling all over. This looks so good you're gonna wanna take a bite right away, but you might wanna resist the urge because you're probably gonna burn your mouth. This might just become your new favorite mac and cheese recipe. Get the complete recipe at cookingwithscuttle.com. Invite your friends over to dinner and serve this up with your favorite sides. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else.